Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's quality tutorial, we are going to learn how to use ChatPDF to interact with PDF documents. There are so many use cases for this, but this is very useful for the long documents like research papers, technical documents like instruction manuals, like operating manual, or you can say the financial or legal documents like business reports or the contract reports. It is like having the author of the documents on the other hand, which not only answer your questions but explain everything related to their specific PDF documents to you. So let's dive in and see how this works. So you have to go to chatpdf.com and sign in with your email account totally free. So in our first example, I am going to pick up the PDF file that I have downloaded to my computer, and that file is about user guide Nokia 105 model. So I don't have much idea about Nokia 105 user guide and I haven't explored this much yet. So let's go ahead and upload it here. It's processing now and the file is getting uploaded. For your understanding, let me go ahead and show you this file about Nokia 105 user guide that have 24 to 25 pages. So let's close it. Okay, so please note that I have used this PDF for this example. You can use your own PDF in Chat PDF to get that explained for you. So once the PDF is uploaded, it will give you the brief explanation of the PDF and ask three simple questions about the document. You can just go ahead and click on any one of these and this will start answering you. So I'm gonna ask my own customized question here. So let's ask how can I set up alarm and the reminder in Nokia 105 calendar. Now it's starting giving me the instruction and picked up from this PDF. Now I don't need to go through the PDF to set up the alarm and calendar here. Perfect. Amazing. Now let's go ahead and ask that where can I find the alarm guide in the PDF. Let's send it. And this gave us the page 14 here and telling us that you can go to page 14 of your PDF and you can find the alarm details there. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and I want to ask that I need the battery information about Nokia 105 and please also give me the page number. Where is it? Here you go. I got the answer within a minute, and it's saying that battery information for Nokia 105 can be found on page 20 of the PDF. This section includes details about the battery and charger. So let's go directly to that page without wasting time and see how quickly this chat PDF AI answered my question and took me to the targeted page very quickly. I am impressed. So let's say we want to ask a relevant question from Chat PDF about Nokia 105 that where can I find the front camera of Nokia 105. So I know that Nokia 105 doesn't have front camera, but still I'm gonna ask a relevant question and Chat PDF is going to answer me quickly. The Nokia 105 does not have the front camera. The user guide does not mention any front camera in the features as the device is primarily designed as a basic mobile phone without advanced camera capabilities. If you need more information about the phone's specification, you can refer to the general features section in the user guide, but it will confirm the absence of front camera. So I'm done with all of this chat, and if I wanna export chat, I can export this chat to my computer, right? And this will be saved as txt file on my desktop. Let's go ahead and save this chat. And if I wanna share this chat, I can go to share button, and here I will get the share link. And if I share this chat or this information with anyone else so that they will be able to get understand about Nokia 105, we could go ahead and we could directly share this chat. And also if we want to delete this chat, we can go to delete chat button, and let's go ahead, and here I want to reset the chat, and then let's go to check the delete button here. So I have deleted the chat here. The next option for chat PDF we're gonna see is the from URL option. And on the internet, I have the URL for Amazon financial annual report, and it contains a lot of data here in the PDF, and it's 92 pages. And this will be very time consuming to go through all of this annual report. So for this time, in the find URL option, I'm gonna paste the annual report URL here, and let's click on submit. Once I have clicked on submit, it's uploading and processing. And again, it gives us the brief summary about this annual report on the Amazon, and it's also provided me three sample questions. But here, let's go ahead and ask our own customized question. What are the business risks you have faced? Let's go ahead and send our question, and Chat PDF is going to answer me very perfectly. And also, the Chat PDF is mentioning the pages here where we can get these details. That's perfect. So, I think that's it about today's quality, informational, and to the point tutorial on how we can use Chat PDF to explore or interact with our PDF files quickly. If you want to download Chat PDF on your laptop, just go to download Windows app, and you will be able to download it on your desktop here. Once this is downloaded, you could go ahead and start installation. So thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK for more quality tutorials. Take care, bye.